In February 2024, 9 masked teenagers in a minivan rolled up to a luxury car dealership to carry out a burglary in Waukesha, Wisconsin. The group forced open a garage door to enter the dealership. Inside, they pried open a key lock box and located the vehicles associated with the keys. Shortly after, one of the vehicles crashed through a garage door, making way for 8 other vehicles to escape. It is estimated that over $583,000 worth of luxury cars were stolen, including Land Rovers, BMWs, Jaguars, and Porsches. Minutes later, dispatch received a call about several new luxury cars without plates pulling into a gas station in West Dallas, Wisconsin. The caller reported seeing 8 young black males and 1 black female, all in black sweatsuits and masks, quickly entering the gas station. Additionally, local law enforcement had been monitoring several car dealership burglaries targeting high-end vehicles throughout southeastern Wisconsin. The suspects were believed to be part of a Chicago-based theft ring, but among the 9 teens that had just broken into the dealership, 17-year-old Calvin Valentine faced the most trouble. While en route, officers came across a convoy of 5 luxury vehicles traveling in tandem.
I'm assuming these are all the cars right here.
These boundaries go from Hawaii, luxury vehicle convoy.
They're moving pretty good.
Yeah, it's gonna be a chaser.
Eventually, all the vehicles merged onto the interstate, spreading across all 3 lanes and quickly reaching speeds of 100 miles per hour in a 55-mile-per-hour zone.
Dog, I'll call Patrick at station. We're chasing like 5 luxury vehicles, high-end vehicles, white SUVs, 2 of them. We're getting 894 southbound, coming up on Lincoln.
The last 2 vehicles in the convoy were white Range Rovers, with one driven by Calvin, while the other fleeing vehicles quickly vanished from view.
All right, we're in pursuit. Speeds are approximately 100 miles an hour now on the interstate. Picked out 3 white SUVs, passing National right now. West Dallas 306, we're in pursuit of several Range Rovers, southbound 894, passing Cleveland right now. Obviously, probably going to be stolen from dealerships. Black SUV, and we have 2 white SUVs. Doug, I'm staying on this black and white one right now. Coming up on the Boyd exit. Still south. Speed's at 100. Alright, we're veering to the east. There are at least 4 of them here that we're in pursuit of. Last 2 are white SUVs, first one's black. One in front of that's a sedan. Passing 92nd Street, speeds at 105. Coming up on 76th Street exit, 84th Street exit. Go. Passing 84th Street exit right now, 84th Street. Hammer it. We're good. West Dallas pursuit. On burglary, stolen vehicles here, 84th Street, 94 eastbound. Just past 76th Street. Try this Range Rover, Adam John Henry 4307. Adam John Henry 4307. Just past 6-8, 94 eastbound. All these out, white SUVs coming your way. There was a stick deployment, were you successful? Go, catch up.
A second set of stop sticks were deployed further ahead and appeared to successfully make contact with Calvin's vehicle.
Don't call it out if you can.
94, passing 27th Street.
Looks like one of them hit a stick. Someone threw some sticks there.
Share that stick. We're continuing eastbound on 94. We're passing 27th Street.
Share full sticks.
Gonna be out charge.
Alright, we're by the airport exit. Alright, we're gonna come around the curve here for the airport. Be coming up on College. Looks like one of the Range Rovers got flat tire, back left tire flat. I'm gonna stay with that one. Yeah, that's affirmative. The Range Rover, one Range Rover is back left flat tire. I still got 2 of them running side by side here. Speed's at 100, but definitely flat tire on the Range Rover. It's low on speed, tire's gonna come off and blow. Alright, this Range Rover lost all its rubber. This one's slowing down. I'm gonna stick with that one, but the other one is slowing down with it. Need some squads up here. We're gonna go for a pit here shortly. watch that other one in front of you. There's other Range Rover slowing down to cover for this car. All right, give me some more up here. Looks like I got one sheriff with me. We're back up to 86 miles an hour, coming up on Ramsey. Speeds are back up to 80, so obviously not pitting. I'm staying with the one with the long tire.
The way they were,
But again, the second one's running cover for it, slowing down again right up in front of me. I'm at college right now.
what do you need for power? The football looks like a dog over there.
Coming up on Rossum, he might try to exit here. They're looking to bail. This car is for sure. I got that second stall coming up behind me now.
What was it? Oh, it's all right. I don't know. What was it? Jacket. Oh.
You stay with the one, I'll stay with the one that's got the blown tire. All right, this one's still on rim, but we're at 90 miles an hour. Still southbound. Coming up on Drexel. It's going to take it, it looks like. Nope, negative. Still southbound. That other agency unit's chasing the other Range Rover white. I'm passing Drexel now. One with the back left tire out. All right, so he's on the rim, but he's still traveling at 100. That other unmarked unit's up ahead on the other car.
Sorry, don't wait here. I'm calling.
All right, you call up and get up closer.
All right, we're still southbound 94, coming up on Fuse.
I think it's single loaded black male driver.
Still southbound, coming up on exit 322 line.
Losing a lot of debris from that back left tire. Speeds are at 100.
Coming up on my helmet, I think that's this. Back left tire, speeds are 100. Southbound, coming up on Elm Road. Speeds are slowing. He's got nothing, he's going to take down. We're down to 80, passing 324, down road. He's over in lane 3.
Still way too fast for a pit, but if it does drop down again, I'm going to try to do it.
Speeds are up to 100 again. He's got no rear left tire, right that wrench.
Very loud noise coming from that back rim, but he's still at 95. I'm requesting any other agency to deploy sticks so we can slow it down even further. Get the other agency that's able to deploy stop sticks and slow this down even more.
94 southbound, lane 1. Speeds are 100.
Alright, is everybody ready for football when this comes to an end? Remember, we're still at 105 right now, but maybe we get some more sticks on it. Coming up on Highway K, half mile ahead.
You got plenty behind you, Sarge.
Yeah, looking maybe anybody forward with sticks. Still requesting that. Bring this to an end.
Sarge, Coach County got sticks ahead. Keep going down there. Sheriff's Mountain's passing, Sergeant.
Copy that.
Middle operator, early 40s, got a black hoodie on.
Copy that.
Negative on stakes. Still southbound 94. Speeds are down to 90. Coming up on the 335 exit.
Alright, that stick missed, but I see a squad up ahead in front of us.
We're going on lane 3.
Alright, see some squads up ahead. We're coming up on you fast at 108 miles an hour.
We're in lane 3, coming up on exit 337, Mount Pleasant Summers. Splitting 3 and 4 currently. Speeds at 100, 103. Lane 2, passing 337. Right Range Rover. Negative stakes. Continuing southbound. Speeds are down. 80. Lane 3.
Still too fast there. I'm at 73 for a pit. Still too fast. 75. I'm in position, but still too fast. This SUV in my roll. Alright, you guys, we've got more sticks coming up ahead. Sheriff here, but all strong sticks. You're able to get position. Blessing it, please.
Continuing southbound. 94, come up on 340. Anybody with sticks, we're in lane 1. Split 1 and 2. Over to 3, do the mark. We're going to slow down here. Speed it down to 90. We got sticks ahead. Lane 2. Got nothing for radio reception. Now you're passing 345. Anybody can hear me? That's 345. He's going to be down here soon. It's up to the frame.
Need to get some more sticks. If you got state patrol, maybe they can call it.
Since he was driving on the tire rim, he soon lost control and struck an uninvolved vehicle.
Alright, he's slowing down, release down. Right? Nope, he's gonna lose it. Nope, slowing down 90. We're gonna lose it, gonna lose it, gonna lose it. Crash, 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 crash. Get out!
We got devices for that, but we're just making sure you guys are good. No medical needed, anything? No, no. Yeah, just want us to go. Just stay here. Just stay here. How old are you? I'm a teenager. You know about this? I'm a teenager. I'm a teenager. Can you make sure nobody else in there? Take him over here. He's quiet. Take him over there. Yeah, well, too bad. He just told me I'm a teenager. Ask me. Stop talking. Help yourself. Stop talking. Piece of shit. Nobody? We're good. Real quick. I don't got nothing, sir. Can you ask me how far we is from Chicago? Nope. Put your feet, please. I'm a teenager. All right, sir. I'm a teenager, bro. Okay. You guys still have squatters. There was another one of your guys chasing. Is he still chasing? No. He's where is he now? Maybe find out. Call your dispatch. Well, they were chasing another one. I'm a teenager, bro. What did I do? Stop talking. Stop talking. Exeter. I'm 17. I'll say you're an adult. I guess. Yep. Phone's last. Said you're 17? Right. When did you turn 17? Like when? May. You're in adult Milwaukee County, sir. So you're currently under arrest. So I'm on to the county? Yep. Let's come up behind us. Guys, we have a pursuit coming down the highway right at us. Oh, shit. Another pursuit? Get another shot. Get the sticks out. Jesus Christ. On the side. Jump over. Oh, watch out. Get sticks out. Pursuit behind you. There's a pursuit? Stay. Is it a pursuit? I don't know. I'm helping you right now. I'm trying not to get you killed, okay? Don't move. I'm telling you I'm not going to move, sir. Is it coming or what? How do you know that? I don't see it coming. I think it's past us. I promise you I'm not going to move. You can trust me. I don't even stay out here, sir. I promise you I'm not going to move. I'm trying to keep you safe right now by putting you on the other side so you can get hit by another car. Can I stand up? You and your buddies are stealing cars. They're going to kill you. Stand up, though? No. Stay seated. How did you hear this? I don't know. Someone was just yelling about it. How do we know this? This comes too tight, sir. Dude. Right now, it's the least of my worries. Stay seated. Hey, how do you know this? I think it's past us. What? It's already. The other one's already got it. Yeah, yep. All right, two of them over here. My phone in the car. What about your phone, dude? Who gives a f*** to my mother? Guess what? It's not going to happen. Pull over. Then you could have called her. I'm trying to call her. Oh, really? That was the one that was in front. We're good. Put him in the back. Help me get back over there. Did you let me help too? Did you let me put my top in your hand? My legs, I'm for you right there. You got the other guy there? No. One of you guys was chasing the other one, then went by us. I don't know what his status is or anything. I'm a teenager, bro. No, you're not. You're 17. I am a teenager. What's your last name? Valentine. The one that was running cover for this, he picked it up and was chasing it. Yeah, once we started losing radios, our supervisor told us to fall off. Okay. First name? Calvin, C-A-L-V-I-N. Birthday. Okay, you said C-A-L or K-A-L? C-A-L-V-I-N. Find some names, just jot down some. Somebody, just grab something. State Patrol, touch base with him, get a name, because the bad guy car crashed into that car. Phone number. My phone number 773. What's that phone in there? Oh, my phone number? Yes. That one don't have no number. What is it? It ain't gonna let you. 773. You been arrested in Wisconsin? No. You been arrested in Illinois? Yes. Okay, for what? For what? A battery because I was playing my cousin. I was just trying to. Okay. The other one was in front of this. Okay. And the Milwaukee's telling me that they nutted it because they got out of radio range. So I think we just got one. The rest are gone. We'll get a toll coming. We got pictures taken. We're searching right now. We only have one custody? We do have one. You good? Yeah, just going down. We have this property, y'all. 20 miles of gas. 20 miles. I want to run out. We almost made the state line.
So once I would have made that, y'all gonna stop chasing?
I don't know.
They're from Wisconsin. You were in Wisconsin.
Yeah, we would have still chased you.
Yeah,
Yeah, this ain't CPD. We don't f around up here.
As the pursuit concluded, Illinois State Police advised they located one of the involved vehicles at a gas station.
Hello, sir. Do your cameras work? Yeah, camera. Can I see the video?
According to the store clerk, 4 vehicles arrived at the gas station to refuel. A younger black male wearing a mask handed over $40, requesting gas for all 4 vehicles. Believing the clerk was taking too long, he asked for his money back. Subsequently, 3 of the 4 vehicles left the gas station.
At that time, he came to me and he said, no, give me my money back. Okay. And he was rushing. And they were? And then he left while the nozzle was in his car. That's why this nozzle is beeping, you know, number 5. And all other car ran out. And then I saw this one is still...
All right, face us.
Turn this hood down.
Yeah, drop your hood down. And then we're going to do the same thing. Look forward, and your left, face forward, and your left again, face forward.
Look straight in case.
Alright, pop shoes off, and we're going to head back in the cell.
Calvin was charged with felony counts of taking a vehicle without consent, burglary, receiving stolen property, and criminal damage to property, party to a crime. Subsequently, his cash bond was set at $50,000. As of July 2024, Calvin was found guilty of burglary and taking a vehicle without consent. The remaining charges were dismissed but read in. Ultimately, his sentencing is scheduled for September 23, 2024. As for the 8 other suspects involved, there are no reports of their arrest. However, according to the latest updates, 6 of the 9 vehicles have been recovered in Wisconsin and Illinois.